Hi, I'm David Bazinet with the Solidworks training team. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform lets you securely share your Solidworks data without sending huge files or granting full access. In this video, I'll show you how to share data using a secure link. Let's get started. Sometimes you need quick feedback from a client or partner without giving them full access to the platform. That's where secure links come in. They're browser-based, require no installation, and are easy to set up. First, open the Lifecycle and Collaboration tab, then click Share. Update the file name, file type, and choose a 3D drive folder location. Once ready, click Upload. Next, a dialog box appears with key options. Activate External Sharing Link allows outside users access to the data. Next to this toggle is an expiration date. The link expires after 1 month, so your data isn't left open forever. Enable guest comments allows users to provide feedback. Restrict access to specific users allows for targeted sharing. Input one or more email address, then add a message. Copy external link copies the link to your clipboard. When ready, click Share to notify the user of the link. The recipient will get an email. When they click the link, they'll sign in with the username and password. After signing in, the design opens in a browser window where they can perform actions such as rotating, zooming, and adding comments. It's perfect for client reviews, quick approvals, or team feedback. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can securely share designs without worrying about installations or full access. Remember, external sharing depends on your role and permissions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, visit the site below to access a video-based lesson on collaborating on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.